Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to combine first name and last name in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, select the cells where you want to combine first name and last name. So after selecting the cells, you can see the options of FX. So just click on it. So after that, here you can see select category options. So here always select all. So after that, here you can see search for functions. So here search concatenate. So after writing concatenate, then click on go options, and here you can see the options of concatenate function. So just click on it. So when you will click on it, you can see you can combine 255 text through concatenate functions. So you can see there are only two texts. So if you want to combine 255 text in one cells, so you can combine through concatenate function. So here you can see text 1 and text 2. So don't worry, when you will click on last text, so you can see new text will appear. So similarly, when you will click on again, the new text will again appear. So in this way you can add new text. So firstly, we will start the formula. Firstly, in text 1, select first name, and after that click on text 2. So here if you want to add space between two texts, so click on space button. So after click on space button, so here select text 3. So here in text 3, click on last name. So after that, here you can see it show like this. So after that, click on OK. So you can see all is done. First name and last name is combined. So if you want to combine other name, so just don't need to do this. So just select the cells where you created the formula, and then you can see small circle at the bottom right side of the cells. So and then place the cursor on it, and you can see the options of plus, and then drag to the lower end. So you can see all first name and last name are combined. So guys, in this way you can combine first name and last name in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.